Yup. Yeah, a lot of water.
And hot water.
Look at that.
Okay. Turn that off for people.
Mm-hmm.
How simple that shit is?
That was, yo, but you know your shit, bro. That's what I love about you.
It just,
You the fucking man when it
stay
comes.
right there. I'm gonna turn the hot water, the water on.
But it's already sealed? Huh? You don't gotta weld it?
Water's back on. Check it.
It is, it ain't. You just slip that shit in there like that. And it did, you don't have to.
Those are very expensive.
Oh shit, that shit is hot. You're right, the water is back on. You got the hot water on? You in the hot water?
Yeah, it's gonna take a minute to get hot.
Yo, but you
See,
just
that's hot water coming on
you
now.
just slid that bitch right up in there.
Yeah, this is what I do.
But you didn't have to weld it.
No, because I preheated the pipe already. When you heat the water, you heat the pipe, it boils the water. This is warm already.
And you heat the pipe and it
And this is copper, so what happens with copper, shit travels. If you can heat it right here, then it's gonna get hot over there.
oh yeah? So
Yeah.
you heated it there, but you heated it in the bottom and you capped that shit so fast.
It's called preheating.
And that shit slid right in there. You a fucking man, bro.
Well, I've been doing this for a long time.
Oh man.
You got your water right there.
Yeah?
Get your water, put your phone on. So right here, this is yours.
Yeah, I got that tank there too. Should I get me one of those shits?
You want a tip like this?
A tank. What's the name of this shit right here, Hus? The name of this cap shit?
The bottom one,
Yeah.
a shark bite melon.